next problem statement is to understand the read mode in files. So whenever we open any file in the read mode, the file should exist. If the file does not exist, then it will give an error. If we open this file in the read mode, the file pointer position will be in the beginning of the file. So you're going to read the data from the beginning of the file to the end of the file. Now let me just execute this code and show you how to represent the mode as R within the file open. So the syntax is same, file pointer, next pointer equal to f open of file name or path of the file, followed by mode. So in the place of mode, for read mode it is R. For read mode is R. So ptr is equal to f open of names.txt comma R. If this file exists, so it will return nothing, because already names.txt is over here, it returns nothing. Now let me execute this code and check what is that I am getting here. Already names.txt is exists, so I am not going to get any message. Program finished with exit code 0. So no problem at all. Imagine if I am removing this file names.txt. If I am removing this file names.txt. Now you can see if I execute this code, you are going to get this error message. Error in opening the file. Error in opening the file. Or you can give the message as file not found. So this is a file not found error. Error in opening the file.